Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of Tinder. We go to Tinder app, we go to settings like this. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Tinder and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.